In order to check battery health or battery capacity on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, then first of all we need to open settings. Once we open settings, you want to scroll down just a little bit and then you should proceed to battery option. Here in battery option you want to go to battery information, and then we can find maximum capacity, which is in percentage, of course. Unfortunately, there is no clear indicator of how many milliamp hours we have of the battery at a given moment. But of course, we can just simply count that by ourselves. So Nothing Phone 4a and 4a Pro, both of them have 5080 milliamp hours, unless you purchase the phone in India, because in India the phone has 5400 milliamp hours. And then we can count, of course, the percentage. Now, of course, at first you should just see 100% for the most part, but after some time, due to battery aging, the percentage is going to drop. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.